Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps and deciding whether to use GPS or type an address. This choice affects accuracy. If you allow location, Maps centers near you, so you save typing. If not, type the address, landmark, or coordinates in the search bar. Use decimal degrees like 40. 7,128 minus 74. 0060 for precision. Once entered, press enter or tap search. Maps will zoom to the result. Make sure to watch the pin and info card that appears. That's your target. Now verify that the pin is exactly where you need it. Read the street, business name, or the numeric coordinates shown. If it's slightly off, drag the pin or use Street View to visually confirm surroundings. Satellite layer helps with landmarks. Once confident, tap directions and pick driving, walking, transit, or cycling. Maps gives route options and estimated time. Make sure to inspect alternate routes and timing, because traffic and transit updates can change the fast. Finish by saving the spot as a label or star so you can return. Alternatively, tap share to send a link or the exact coordinates to someone. If you're traveling without data, download an offline map of the area before you go and add stopovers for multi-stop trips. If Maps can't find the pin, search nearby landmarks, drop a pin manually where you see the location, or re-enter precise coordinates. That usually fixes missing or mislocated results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.